Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work, 1000 butta concept, very beautiful and famous design in copper and silver zari work. A borderless concept sarees in a very beautiful color here. A maroon and brown mixed shade. Brown is prominent, coffee brown shade. A very beautiful shade too. You can see the beautiful color. The copper zari as well as silver zari is very visible and elegant on the dark color of the saree. And we have a borderless concept all over the saree. No borders at all. With small buttas. 1000 butta concept it is. Vertically we have 18 buttas. And we have beautiful alternative weaving concept. And the pallu is also here done using copper zari with silver zari borders on both sides with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. A perfect and classy saree in a dark shade color, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work, 1000 butta concept, very elegant sarees, classy beautiful sarees with no contrast concept, with completely in single color, running color concept sarees, and a beautiful color combinations are given. Here we have a mustard yellow mixed with brown to get a beautiful shade. It's a very different shade. You can see the goldish mustard yellow glow on brown base, and it is really beautiful. A rare color. And we have the copper zari as well as silver zari buttas. Alternatively, both buttas are done. Vertically, we have 18 buttas in a row. That is the total butta count is 1000 butta concept. Beautifully, it's done. Small buttas, and it's very elegant. All over the saree, it comes with the same color pallu. Pallu is also in the same color with the copper zari work, and we have borders of silver zari given vertically in the pallu, and we have plain blouse piece. The tassels are very beautifully made. Excellent saree, beautiful color, very attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work, very beautiful 1000 butta concept, very elegant sarees, a very trending and beautiful collection. All over the sarees, the rich butta work comes with a borderless concept. Here we have a dual tone color, very different and rare tone it is. Deep bottle green is mixed with purple. You can see the purple shade on the saree when it is moved. Very elegant one with copper and silver zari buttas. The buttas are very small and beautiful, and 18 buttas in a row, which makes the 1000 butta concept all over the saree. The butta work continues. It's a borderless, and we have same body color pallu. Pallu also have a very detailed and elegant copper zari work, and we also have the plain blouse piece which is in the body color. The pallu tassels are already made. Beautiful and very elegantly hand woven pretty saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept sarees in a borderless version. Very beautiful single color concept sarees. The complete saree, the pallu as well as blouse are in same color. Here we have a dual tone. Mustard yellow is mixed with olive green shade. Radiant colors both are. So you can see the beautiful golden glow on the saree. Both yellow as well as green shades are visible and beautiful on the saree. And you can see the copper and silver zari buttas, small buttas, tiny ones all over the saree. And it is almost 18 buttas in a row vertically. All over the saree goes on. Really beautiful, very rich collection with same color pallu. Pallu also have very beautiful, closely weaved floral design copper zari work, and silver borders are given in the vertical borders, and we have the plain blouse piece as in body color. The pallu tassels are already made. Really beautiful saree, a rich one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept sarees in a borderless version. A very elegant, beautiful dual tone color. The saree is a very different tone. Purple mixed with blue, Ananda blue it is. You can see the purple glow on the Ananda blue. Really beautiful color with 1000 butta concept. You can see the vertically 18 buttas in a row, and copper and silver are alternatively used. Tiny buttas, really beautiful buttas it is, and the whole saree have the same butta running all over. Very soft and completely hand woven collection with same color blouse piece and pallu. Pallu is also in same color. You can see the copper zari work on the pallu. A very rich pallu with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. Beautiful collection with authentic silk. Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 1000 butta concept, very famous and beautiful design on a borderless concept saree. Here we have a beautiful deep magenta pink shade color, ever lovable beautiful pink it is, magenta pink, with the buttas just tiny and beautiful, done in gold and silver zaris, and alternatively both are done vertically. We have 18 buttas in a row, closely weaved 1000 butta concept. Elegantly it's been done all over the saree. A very rich hand woven saree with same color pallu. Pallu also have the golden zari worked rich collection, and you can see the vertical borders in the pallu, and that is done using silver, and we have plain blouse piece. The tassels are already made. Beautiful saree, very attractive color with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 1000 butta concept, beautiful saree collection in gold and silver zari work. Borderless concept, completely hand woven, beautiful design. A red saree here, beautiful red shade with very elegant buttas, small buttas they are, done in a 18 buttas in a row. 1000 butta concept all over the saree. If you see, the whole butta collection comes all over, and it is a borderless, again a hand woven saree too, with same color pallu. The pallu is also a beautiful floral design, a very rich big pallu. With side borders we have the silver zari work, and we have the plain blouse piece as well. And we have the pallu tassels already made. Beautiful and attractive color with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, very beautiful 1000 butta concept, very famous beautiful design, hand woven in a borderless concept. Here we have a very attractive copper sulphate blue shade color, beautiful blue with light green tinge, very elegant one, with the 1000 butta concept weaving buttas. We have small buttas that is having both gold and silver zari alternatively weaved, 18 buttas in a row vertically, and in a borderless concept. A very elegant hand woven saree with the same color pallu. Pallu is having floral design in golden zari with the silver borders in the vertical way, and we have a plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. A perfect hand finish saree with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, beautiful 1000 butta concept sarees, a very famous and beautiful design in a borderless concept, hand woven perfectly in a very elegant light pastel lavender shade. The lavender is trending now, with very elegant copper zari as well, copper and silver alternatively used here. The tiny butta concept, vertically we have 18 buttas in a row, all over we have 1000 buttas all over the saree. The butta work continues, very soft and beautiful premium quality soft silk, hand woven with premium and utmost care. And you can see the pallu. Pallu is also having copper zari weaving here with diagonal pattern, and we also have silver zaris in the borders, vertical borders of the pallu, and we have the plain blouse piece in same saree color. The pallu tassels are perfectly made here, hand woven, perfect, excellent saree in a most trending lavender shade color, and it comes with authentic silk work.